All right, so Christmas is gone. We're cleaning up after Christmas, throwing everything away, and getting all of our stuff put together. The question is, how do you make sure you're doing the same thing for your finances and for your credit? Listen up and I'll tell you. Hey everybody, John King with Summit Funding, and I'm coming at you today with some wisdom on how to focus on cleaning up your financial life and cleaning up your credit. So cleaning up your credit is really important to make sure that you're doing a few things right. First and foremost, pay all your bills on time. Set up auto pay out of your bank, but don't just assume they're going to get paid automatically. Have a checklist of all the bills that you owe and make sure each month that it is set to go out and that it's been paid each and every month. Because auto pay does have issues, and that issue is not an excuse for not paying your bills on time. So don't allow yourself to be a victim to an auto payment issue. Pay all your bills on time by having a spreadsheet, just keeping track. Yes, it's scheduled to go out, and then once it's gone out, yes, it's gone out. It does not count as a late payment on your credit report unless it's 30 days late. So if you just say at the beginning of the month, I am going to make sure I know what bills need to get paid, and then at the end of the month, double check to make sure they all got paid, you're fine. Even if something didn't get paid on time, as long as it's not 30 days late, it's not going to impact your credit. That's step one, pay all your bills on time. Step two, if you have any collections, pay them off. Start with the most recent collections first, and don't pay anything off that's greater than 2 years old, because that may actually lower your credit score. And then step three for cleaning up your credit is to keep your balances low compared to your credit limit on your revolving accounts, which revolving accounts are basically your credit cards and lines of credit. The ideal number is between 10 and 20% of the credit limit. If your holiday shopping has brought that number up significantly, go per card to get the number down. You want the utilization percentage, the percent of what you owe compared to the credit limit, to be as low as you can per card. Do not pay one card all the way down and keep another card really high. That high card hurts you. So if you can only get all your cards to 60%, do it. If you can get them all down to 50 or 40 or 30, do that. But don't leave a couple at 100 and drop a couple down to 20%, because those ones at 100 are going to hurt you way more than the ones being down to 20. So drop everything down unilaterally is going to help you credit the most. Hopefully these tips will help you to recover from any holiday spending hangovers that you might have. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please give me a holler. Have an absolutely amazing day and happy holidays. Bye-bye.